Today I will demonstrate ElWhip 0.6 on an absolute rock bottom system. It's on Macintosh 128K with system 1.0 and Finder 1.0 on board. Let's see what happens. I have my PPP connection up on the Linux box, and we're going to start ElWhip. Let's see. Open the disk. There's ElWhip. We'll open it up. Okay. It opens up nicely. Let's see what happens. Yep. It's getting its address. I can see it already on my Linux box. We'll click this on OK, because you can see the IP address coming up on the Macintosh. Show it also in the messages log. It has an IP address. We'll give an OK. Okay, it's up and running. So let's test it again. We'll test it on my Linux box. Not a nice graphical browser, but it's for the technique. And see what happens. This is a little bit strange, but maybe there's an explanation. Sorry, page not found. So it's getting a web page, but the 404 web page, not the index.html as we expected. So it's getting a page, not a correct one, but I count this as a working web server on system 1.0.